HighLevel has done it again. They've completely changed the entire AI employee user interface from the agency level down to the sub-account level. So right now, what I want to do is drop a quick video for you guys so that you understand how the new AI employee feature works, how you actually sit back and allow certain sub-accounts to have AI employee access, and whether or not you choose to specify the payment of that account to be at the sub-account or at the agency level. All right, so right now, if you don't know, first of all, HighLevel has a huge promotion right now, the Summer of AI. They did this last summer, but right now, this is a huge promotion. If you have not signed up for HighLevel yet, you can sign up for HighLevel and get half off for 3 months. 3 months. You get half off of whatever plan that you subscribe to, which is a huge tax savings to allow you to get into the HighLevel platform, to start getting customers, to get them signed up, to get them paying you for the service that you provide, and pay HighLevel next to nothing as a subscription price for this service. HighLevel has this going on to, I believe, let me take a look here, the August 31st. So right now, again, this is being made in early June. So you have June, July, and August to sit back and realize this. But right now in this video, what I'm going to show you is how HighLevel has changed AI employee. Now, if you're like me and you went in to start doing some changes, you're going to go to the agency level, which is where I'm at right now, and you're going to go to your settings and you're going to look for AI employee. So you're going to look over here on the main menu and you're going to look for all these, and you're going to be looking for AI employee, and you're not going to find it. And you're just going to be like, what the hell? Where did it go? But if you go back, right now, HighLevel has incorporated all of these things under this new AI suite menu at the agency level. So whenever you click on the AI agency suite, the AI suite, then at this point, you will get access to the information here. Now, keep in mind, I have the Agency Pro account, so I get some of the rebilling options. If you don't see the rebilling, then that means you're not at the Agency Pro level. You're just at the starter or the unlimited plan. There are some benefits of being at the Agency Pro, and I always recommend, if you're looking to upgrade, absolutely upgrade to Agency Pro as soon as possible. Whenever your customers are paying you more than $4 a month, you as the agency owner should absolutely upgrade inside of HighLevel to the Agency Pro immediately. Immediately upgrade, because there are so many other options that you get, so many other advantages for automation, for rebilling purposes, things like that, that you don't really know at the unlimited or the agency starter plan, that is completely and totally worth it for $200 to do all of this. So right now, if you don't see the rebilling, it may be because you don't have Agency Pro. So right now, let me scroll back. So right now, this is just some of the accounts inside of my thing. And right now, I don't know if it's just you. I'm just trying to share what I do. All these accounts with asterisk, 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 I do that as a way of identifying. But what I do is all of the ones with asterisk are really my snapshot accounts. So all the ones that I have snapshots with, I do asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. That's just my personal designation. You could do it yourself, but this way, those accounts show up on top, always with the asterisk. And anytime there's an asterisk in front of the name, then me or my team know, do not mess with that account, because that account is a snapshot account. That account is something that we only update at certain times whenever we want to, and so forth. So if you look here, enable AI agents, this right here is turned on. So right now, what I want to do is come down and show you that right now, my agency account, my SMB 360, that's just my agency. Your agency be called whatever you want. But right now, this account says is grayed out. And if you take a look, it cannot be disabled. So anyway, I don't know if you're going to be experiencing this, but if you ever want to sit back and turn on an AI employee, just simply come to your sub account. Like there's a Rayo Daniel. This is the one I use for my affiliate marketing side, not for my software as a service side. But anyway, if you want to, you can turn this on. I'm not going to at this point because I don't use AI employee on the affiliate marketing side. I just don't. But right now, if you wanted to, you could just simply click on that and turn it on, just like with this DigiGlobal Agency is my demo account. This is an account that I actually have where I do all of my YouTube videos and use my accounts in here. So I do want this turned on. But if I wanted to turn this off, I could turn it off. If I wanted to click it and turn it on, this is how you enable it on and off if you want to allow AI employee access to this account or not. Now, please keep in mind, if you have the AI employee feature right here turned off, then you will not be able to get any AI employee services. All of this stuff will be shut off on your account. You will not have access to it. You will not be able to do anything with it, not even pay as you go. But if you look at here, this right here is, once you turn it on, this enables pay as you go only. That's what it means. When you turn it on, it means you do pay as you go. you still don't have an actual subscription plan. You actually have to click on the three dots and enable the subscription plan moving forward at this particular point, which is again, why I wanted to create this video, because this could be quite confusing to people who are just getting started and want to turn on AI Employee for HighLevel. Now, if you're one of my affiliates or if you're looking to be an affiliate, I always recommend my affiliates to do AI Employee Services or Google Review Services, because those are the two services that are the absolute best with, regardless of niche. You can sell these services to anybody, because everybody needs these two services. Everybody does. So whenever you do that, if you want to turn on AI Employee Services, this allows you to at least do pay-as-you-go. But if you're going to be doing this full-time, if you're going to be enabling the either Google Reviews or AI Employee Services, more specifically AI Employee Services, then I would have to highly recommend you turn on the unlimited AI Employee Services for $97 a month. And you have to, here's the biggest thing that people don't understand. You have to make sure you include that $97 inside of your monthly subscription plan that you charge your customer. Because if not, you're losing profit. You're losing revenue. It's almost like 50 calls a month, probably like 150 text messages, something like that. But if a business gets more than 50 phone calls a month with an average call duration of 5 minutes, per call, meaning, hey, what kind of questions can I answer for you? Let me gather your information. Let me book an appointment. Let me do all that other stuff. And then at the end of it, that's right there is 5 minutes. So 50 phone calls, 5 minutes a month. That right there is nothing. Most businesses get 50 phone calls, I wouldn't say a day, but definitely a week. So this right here is something that could definitely benefit them and get AI Employee Services, the total $97 unlimited plan. But this is where you turn it on. Now, this is where you enable it to allow them to have it on Employee Services. What I want to do is I want to show you for this account right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. I'm going to click these three dots and I'm going to say, I'm not going to opt in for, give me a second here. Let me move myself over because I'm right in the way. You blow this up a little bit. Sorry, I know you can't see it very well, but when you click on the three dots, opt into Summer of AI. Now that's only for right now because they've got the Summer of AI going. That's not really going to apply to this particular account because it's not new. But upgrade to AI Employee Subscription, that definitely is what's going to apply. So when you do that, you're going to get this new screen, and this is completely new, charge to agency. So again, when you set up the AI Employee Services, there's a couple of different ways that you can do it. You could charge it to the agency, meaning you as the agency owner have already incorporated the $97 into your subscription plan. Hopefully you're at Agency Pro. If you're not at the Agency Pro, if you're looking to upgrade, use the link below to upgrade. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can simply click charge the sub account. So this right here means you're going to actually charge the sub account for that additional usage. Now, personally, I don't recommend this because right now what you end up doing is the client will end up feeling nickeled and dimed. If you've ever heard that expression, nickel and dime, where they charge you for every little damn thing that you do. And it's just crazy. I hate being nickel and dime for crap. Just let me pay for it and be done with it. So right now, if you're going to do AI Employee Services, I really don't recommend you charge it to the sub account. You include it as part of your total package at the agency level, and then just charge them for it. So right now, my starting is $587 minimum that you would charge for AI Employee Services. And that $597 includes a $97 for AI Employee Services, which means you take $500 a month profit from that, minus any free trials or anything that you give them every month for their, $10 or $20 worth of usage fees, things like that. So we're going to go through this here, charge to agency. So I'm just going to say continue with plan. So right now we're going to do this, and I'm going to upgrade to the unlimited plan. Okay, so once you get to this screen, you just need to make sure you check the box, just says your AI employee is subject to high-level terms of service, blah, blah, blah. That's all it means. And this is all the stuff that you end up getting. Voice AI, unlimited content AI, reviews AI. So Google Reviews AI is included with that. Conversation AI, Ask AI, and AI, Unlimited AI Studio. So all of that stuff is included, and we're going to go ahead and submit changes. Boom, and then that's what you do to sit back and turn on and enable your feature inside of HighLevel. So right now, I want to create this video to kind of show you what that change would be, where the changes are, because it kind of threw me for a loop when I was looking at this and I was trying to go through it. I had to contact support and figure out what was going on. But anyway, if you learned something, hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what's going on. And if you're looking to upgrade to HighLevel and you're literally looking to go to Agency Pro, which is the true, professional software as a service type of agreement, then sign up using my link below. Once you upgrade, you'll become an affiliate of mine. I'll actually work with you to sit back and set up all of your SaaS configurator plans, everything else, your automations. You get snapshots and include a ton of different things regarding AI services, Google review management that are already set up. And you can have access to all of my training, which basically teaches you how to sit back and take my snapshots and make your own snapshots from them. So most other people think that their snapshots are the best. I think mine, I'm hoping mine will get you maybe 80, maybe to even 90% of the way there at best. But at some point, you still need to come in and configure your own settings and everything else. So this is what I'm saying. How do you actually create your own snapshot moving forward to onboard your clients off of the snapshots that I give you? I teach you how to do that. Have a great day. Bye-bye.